In this video, I'm going to go over the key things that you should consider before you buy the Sunwings Peel and Stick Backsplash. First and foremost, I have the white sort of pearly color that they offer, but they do offer a variety of different colors. And I just want to go ahead and show you here what the Backsplash actually looks like. Now you get quite a few squares inside of this pack when you order it. And the actual rectangles here are quite long, and I really like that design style. It gives you options. You could go up and down. You could go horizontal as well. With that, you could also stack them perfectly on top of each other, or you could kind of go slightly off just to see there what it would look like. You know, either way would look really, really good. And ultimately, these look like they're gonna stack pretty well on top of each other when I do install them. It's gonna look really nice, I think. So you can see here, the line in the middle is quite nice. Here's the backing. I haven't taken any of the backings off yet to see how sticky they are, but I feel like it's gonna be quite sticky. And I can tell from the actual Backsplash itself, it's a really nice material. You can see here, this is, you can listen to it. This is a solid piece of plastic, or I'm not even really sure what material it is, but it's not like your typical peel and stick where it's, like a sticker or some plasticky, really flimsy thing. This is actually like a legitimate piece of thick plastic that resembles a real tile. It's very 3D looking. With that comes, it might be a little difficult to actually cut these. You might need a jigsaw or an X-Acto knife, something that'll be sharp enough to cut through them for going around your receptacles and some of the tighter corners. But I really like how thick and durable they feel. I like the color as well. This color is, you can see, here's the box that they came in, which is a pure white box, just as a reference point. You can see that, it's not necessarily pure white, the marbles, but they're pretty bright. It's almost pure white. I would say that there's a slight gray kind of marbly tone that's mixed in, especially looks like every other is slightly more gray, but there is some slight grayness inside of these, but overall it definitely is mostly white looking. And yeah, they just look great. I like that there's a little bit of a variety inside of the color. It's not just this pure white. There is a little bit of gray kind of mixed in, which just adds, a nice element. It makes it look more realistic and kind of feel more like a legitimate marble. Really excited for these, and yeah, I think they're a great option. If you're looking for a peel and stick Backsplash that's going to be really high quality and not just your typical kind of sticker, give these a try. I think you're going to really like them.